Hi. So in the last video we saw there are few replacements which needs to be done, like the Delhi Daredevils, whichever it is present, we need to replace it with Delhi Capitals, and same goes with Deccan Chargers. We need to replace it with Sunrisers Hyderabad, and then we saw how we merged the matches DF and run matches data frame and then the total run data frame. So we got the data frame after all like this. Now we will move ahead with our exploratory data analysis part. So over here we will check with the matches which resulted in DL method. DL is nothing but the Duct with Lewis method, DL applied. Basically this happens when there is some kind of rain or because of some kind of situation the match has got abandoned, and then with the help of DL method they will say this team won and that team won and so on. So let's try to figure it out which teams are there, which matches got affected by that. So I would say match df of DL applied is equals to 1. Wherever there is DL applied, inside this data frame you applied a particular style with the background gradient as plasma. This is the meaning. Simple as that. I'll repeat it. Whichever matches had undergone DL method, inside the data frame known as match df, to all those matches you apply a particular style which must have a background as plasma. Okay, so when I shift enter this, I will get a particular data frame which will showcase me this all DF applied matches 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so 2017, 2008, 2009, 2011, and these all matches they were DL methods. So we will exclude this DL method. Okay, so ignoring the rows which are with DL method, we are considering only the matches which are completely played. First innings and second innings they are played completely. So match df is equals to match df of DL applied double equals to 0. Instead of 1 I am keeping 0. That means this will give me all the records which are all the records of matches which are completely played. And then from this match df, what I'm bothered about is the match ID, the city, the winner, and the total runs. I don't want anything else. I don't want this toss decision, win by runs, win by wickets, venue, umpire 1, umpire 2, umpire 3. I don't want all that. I only want match ID, city, winner, total runs. If I execute this, see I got the result as match ID, cities, winner, total runs. Once I get this, what I will see, now this match df is completely pre-processed. Now the major part which we are looking from where we will extract the more important features are from the deliveries data frame. So let's see the deliveries.head data frame first. So when we say deliveries.head, we will get the first 3 records of the deliveries data frame. Now there is a catch here. See, in the match data frame we are having match ID, right? And in the deliveries also we are having match ID. So if we merge this match data frame with this deliveries data frame into a single data frame, we can perform lot of operations on it, right? Instead of performing separate operations on match data frame and separate operations on deliveries data frame and then combining, what I am doing is I am combining those data frames together into a single data frame, and then I'll apply all the operations on that data frame only. That makes the task little bit easier. So for doing that, what I will do, I'll merge the data frames. So match df I want to merge with deliveries df. So what is the common column in match df and deliveries df? Match id is column. Match id is common in deliveries data frame as well as match data frame. So match data frame dot merge on which data frame do you want to merge? You want to merge with deliveries. On which column do you want to merge? On match id. Why match id? Because match id is common in both deliveries data frame and match data frame, right? So this everything I'm storing as the result of this merge data frame, I'm storing in this delivery data frame. So here I'm having 21 columns. No, now I will have 24 columns because 3 columns of this are getting added to this, right? Don't consider this match id again, because match id on that only we are joining. So that is included already in this deliveries. City, winner, and total runs are the 3 additional columns which will come. So I'm storing the result into match delivery. Let's see what happens. So I get 24 columns now. Okay. So match id, city, winner, total runs x. Now over here we are having total runs. No, here also we are having total runs. In deliveries data frame also we had total runs. So in two places we are having total runs, right? So the total runs of match DF will be considered to be total runs X, and total runs of deliveries data frame will be considered as total runs Y. Why it will be considered like this? Because what we are trying to do is we are trying to merge the match data frame with deliveries data frame. So whatever data frame is on which we are merging, that will be considered as Y. Okay, so that will be considered as Y. So Y is what over here we want to, so basically what is happening, X merges with Y. So this is the thing. So every column in X data frame will have a underscore X representation. Similar columns will have underscore X representations, and similar columns in Y which are present in X will have a representation of underscore Y. So here what will happen is we'll be having total runs X. Why total runs X? Because in match DF also we are having total runs, and in deliveries also we'll be having total runs. So if you see here, there will be one total runs Y also. Okay, so yeah, so if you see, we will be having a total runs Y also over here, as you can see here, total runs Y. Okay, and here we are having total runs X. So I'll merge this. So this is done, and then I will see the columns. So what all columns are there? So I'm having this total runs X column and total runs Y column, right? Both X and Y runs are there now. Got it? Now what I will do? Now I will consider only the second innings. From now onwards, I'll consider only second innings, and that we will see in the next video. That is little bit tricky. So till then, do practice a lot on merging, because merging will help a lot. Thank you.